Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to our logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your Shazam, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have your Shazam on your control panel. Now right after that you'll be able to see the Shazam icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. So what you can do is you simply need to open the settings and you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen, where you need to scroll a little bit and until you find the control center. So once you find it, which is at the bottom of this general option, simply tap on that option and now you will be redirected to the control center, where you can see the music recognition at the bottom of this screen. So simply tap on the minus icon and finally click on the or tap on the remove, which is at the right side, and yeah, you will be able to turn off your Shazam app successfully. So if you want to show a demo, then let me slide it from top right corner, and yeah, you can see there is no any Shazam icon over here. So basically this is how you can turn off your Shazam, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.